A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to disable biometric login on Acorns, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Acorns app. Launch the Acorns app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the app, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 horizontal lines, and tap on it. Step 3. Find Security Options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the security or login options. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Disable biometric login. In the security options, look for the toggle switch for biometric login like Touch ID or Face ID. Switch it off to disable the feature. Note, if you don't see the toggle, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the biometric login, exit the settings and try logging out and back in to confirm that the changes took effect. I hope this helps you manage your Acorns login preferences. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.